Amit, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Thank you, yeah, thank you. It's always a pleasure talking to you guys.
So, Amit, first of all, I have to start with a very cliched question that I think not even just days now, there are very few hours, Jeet Ki Zid will be out. So, how excited or nervous you are right now?
Nervous, no, I'm never nervous because I think it's a silly emotion and human beings were not born to be nervous. We've created it unnecessarily. I think every hour, more 10,000 or million butterflies, the butterflies in my stomach are reproducing more butterflies. So, yes, anxious, excited, happy, you know.
So, you play the character of an army officer in this series, and earlier also you have
A real
played
life army
the character
officer.
of an army officer.
Yes, a
Yes,
real life
a real
soldier.
life army officer this time. So, whenever you wear that uniform, what kind of a feeling you have whenever you don that uniform for a character?
It's a feeling, right? Like, I don't know how to explain. Something happens. You get this strength, and you kind of remember all the stories you know about the great Indian Army, and you just feel this privilege. For me, I feel this privilege. I feel that I have another opportunity to feel what they feel, and then be a catalyst to be able to tell these stories, to become these characters. And as they inspire me, as they make me better, as I imbibe so many qualities from their stories and these characters and these real people and their life, I also know and hope that it will help people as this reaches to so many people, and that just makes it more exciting. This is just not a project. This is just not about my acting abilities. Here's a story of Major Deep Singh Sengar and his wife Jaya, and the characters in their lives. And just the sheer determination, the attitude of never giving up. And in these prevalent times, I think they have a lot of significance, they have a lot of meaning. So I'm excited for all these seasons.
So, did you meet Major Sengar or speak to him before you started the shooting for the web series?
Well, I personally did not, but my writers, Joy, Akash, did spend a lot of time researching. And we are very grateful to Deep Sir and JMM for allowing us to tell their story in the best authentic manner. I have spoken to Deep Sir. I've also done a live session with him. But there was a person. I was very fixed that I will meet him after, But a lot of research has been done, and I'm right now waiting because he's watching the series soon.
So, the series was shot during the whole pandemic. So, how has been that experience of shooting in this whole scenario of what we are going through right now?
It just becomes more meaningful, more special. Because as a unit, 300 people went. They took the risk, but because everybody has to feed their families, everybody has to start work. So I felt happy that we are part of each other's re-beginning or the renewal of the life cycle that had stopped. And hence it just makes it very, very special, and how we were all looking after each other, and God's grace, everything went smooth with the help of a lot of local people in Punjab, a lot of the authorities there, and people were very helpful, even in Himachal, with the residents and local people. So it was with a lot of help from everyone and a lot of support. We were all healthy, and we could kind of focus on work.
So, when you play such characters, I mean, of course, the trailer gives out that, you have to go through a lot of physical transformation as well as mentally. This character doesn't really easy. So, what kind of atmosphere you go into when you play such characters? Do you try to, what preparations actually do you do? Physically, of course, maybe you must have hit the gym and done stuff. But when we talk about mentally to, prepare for a character like this, how do you do that?
I don't want to bore you with. Of course, everybody has to prepare. You have to prepare for your questions and do research when you want to do a good interview. That's a part of the job, so there's no glory to it. But yes, I had a great team, and we had real life SF's personnel. Colonel Ashok Gehlot, who's ex-SF, very decorated officer. His son Arjun, who's also ex-SF, excuse me. And they were there to guide us, guide the authentic, to be real. And I just feel it's more than talking too much about transformation and spending time in the gym. It comes from the will. It comes from the responsibility of the character that I've been chosen to play, and in all possibilities, I just want it to be real, authentic, and so that when the Indian Armed Forces or Major Deep Singh Sanger or as a matter of fact JMM and people watch it, they feel proud. They feel we've made an effort. And we've done enough. So that's more, to be honest, on my mind, than finding glory and talking about. That's a mandate. That's paramount. When you do a role like this, it is going to be physical. You can't live in the comfort of your home. And excuse me, I've been talking a lot today, so my. So Murtaza, the thing is, bro, this is like, for me, it's like to be able to feel that 0.1% or little bit of what these great people feel. For me, that's what I'm seeking. And again, the opportunity to wear the uniform. And yes, I mean, the mindset was that, this is going to challenge me. This is going to push me. Let's see how much I can do.
So, lastly, Amit, what would you like to say all your fans who would be watching this interview? A message that you would like to give them?
My fans, to be honest, they don't need any message. They know I love them. They're my family. I work for them. I tell these stories for them. I live for them. And I am because of them. I want them to be safe first and foremost. I want their families to be safe. And I'll be happy if they watch it. But I will be very happy if all of us, including me, we find a bigger purpose and make a bigger impact and look after each other, be together and be strong, because we need to be strong in these days. And I promise you that when you watch this, Jeet Ki Zid, it will do something. And I would like to hear from you if it has done something, if I was right or wrong. And if I was right, I want to know what it has done for you.
So Amit, it was really nice chatting with you. All the best for Jeet Ki Zid, and thank you for being with us.